Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, unlock your Vivo Y11 and go straight into Settings, not Apps. Once in Settings, scroll to About Phone or System Information and find the build number or software version entry. You do this because developer options are hidden by default to prevent accidental changes. Revealing them requires tapping the build identifier. Make sure your screen is active and you know your lock PIN or pattern, since the phone may ask for it when you reveal developer options. Once you locate build number, tap it rapidly 7 times. You'll see a countdown or a notification telling you how close you are. After the taps, the phone will ask for your lock screen PIN or password. Enter it to confirm, because this step prevents accidental activation. Once done, you'll see a short message like, "You are now a developer." This reveals the hidden developer options menu in Settings, so you can access advanced controls, such as USB debugging and animation scales. Now go back to Settings. Developer options will appear, often under System or Additional Settings. Toggle the main switch to enable them, then enable USB debugging if you need ADB or change animation scale settings to speed up the UI. Use these options carefully because they change system behavior. If developer options do not appear after tapping build number, restart the phone, ensure system updates are installed, or clear Settings app cache and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.